Hello, good morning, students. My voice clarity on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 70, roll number 50, either respond outlet, either remove now 70 already remove అయిపోయాడు 50 ఉన్నాడా
సార్ 50
ఏవో పిలిచినప్పుడు వెంటనే రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి, మీరు ఆన్ చేసేసి వెళ్ళిపోవడం కాదు.
ఆన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోలేదు సార్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం సార్. అదే ఇంటర్నెట్ స్లో వల్ల వాయిస్ క్లారిటీ రావట్లేదు సార్ మీది.
సర్లైతే ఓకే. Yesterday I explained how to apply first shifting theorem and second shifting theorem and definition of unit step function. And one of the important topic is the integral of Laplace transform. So last class we discussed integral of Laplace transform, how to apply a integration to the Laplace transform. Some of the problems are we done. So today topic is multiplication by t power n. So today topic is multiplication by t power n. So first I write the statement of the multiplication of t power n. The important statement is generally if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. This is the condition of the multiplication of t power n. So here two types of t functions available in Laplace. One is t power n and second one is f of t. So t power n as a multiple of f of t. In two t functions, one is must be in t power n. So one is must be in e power at, then it is called the first shifting theorem. So e power at is a multiple of f of t in left side. It is called first shifting theorem. Now t power n is a multiple of f of t, then its name as multiplication of t power n. So the condition of multiplication of t power n is L of t power n into f of t equal to how many times with power of 40 n times. So that's minus 1 power n, that times of differentiation d power n by ds power n to the answer. What is the answer name? F bar of s. So first we calculate L of f of t, then we getting the one result as f bar of s. The t power n is a multiple of f of t. Now applying t power n to answer. So n is the power of t. How many n's in left side? How many minus in right side? And how many times differentiation of f bar of s. మనకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో t కి ఎంత అయితే పవర్ ఉంటుందో అన్ని టైమ్స్ నెగిటివ్స్ రాయాలి అండ్ అన్ని టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. So I repeat statement. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, this is the basic condition of Laplace transform. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, and L of t power n into f of t. T power n is a left multiple of f of t. T power n is a multiple of f of t. Then we differentiate n times because here n is the power of t. That times differentiation and that negatives are multiplication. So minus 1 power n. So minus 1s are n and d power n by ds power n. Apply to above result. The result is f bar of s. So minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. So clear చెప్తాను L of f of t కి లాప్లాస్ అప్లై చేయగా వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ కి నేమ్ ఉంది అదే f bar of s. ఈ f of t కి ఒకవేళ t పవర్ n మల్టిపుల్ అయితే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ L of t స్క్వేర్ అయితే n వాల్యూ 2 అయితే సో మనం 2 నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ రాయాలి మైనస్ 1 పవర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ 2 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి d స్క్వేర్ బై ds స్క్వేర్. దేనికి L of f of t కడితే వచ్చిన f bar of s ఉంది కదా దానికి. సో d స్క్వేర్ బై ds స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ f bar of s. This is the statement of the multiplication of t power n. Okay. Go to some problems. First, easy problem. Taking one easy problem. First problem is L of t sin at. Observe that here two functions are in Laplace. One is sin at and another one is t. When t is a multiple of one function sin at, automatically this property is multiplication by t power n. For example, in place of t, e power at is available. So e power at is a multiple of sin at. This condition is for shifting. So here e power at in place of t. This condition is multiplication by t power n. First to identify the f of t. The right side function of t as f of t because the statement of multiplication of t power n equal to t power n into f of t. As a multiple of t is a multiple of f of t. Comparing both statements, we write the f of t value. Here clearly f of t equal to sin at. Clearly f of t equal to sin at. Now applying Laplace on both sides, L of f of t equal to L of sin at. Sin at formula is also known that a by s square plus a square. This answer put it name as f bar of s. So we get f bar of s. Then we apply t function to the sin at. Now taking the total problem L of t into sin at. We write the condition of the t power n. So L of t power n into f of t is equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. Put n equal to 1. Why? Here t has only power 1. So L of t power 1 that equal to t into f of t minus 1 power 1 that equal to minus 1 d power d by ds into f bar of s. We know that f bar of s equal to a by s square plus a square. Replace that value into the above formula. L of t into sin at. T into sin at. Minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s d by ds of a by s square plus a square. So differentiate a by s square plus a square. In the function a by s square plus a square, a is a constant and d by ds of 1 by s square plus a square. So it is like as derivative of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. minus 1 by x square. Here x square means circulated value, s square plus a square whole square. And internal derivative. Derivative of s square 2s, internal value, and derivative of a square equal to 0. So the final value is minus into minus plus a into 2a, that equal to 2as, s square plus a square whole square is the required answer. This is the required answer. So that is the easy problem to solve. Then go to next problem. Second problem is, take second problem as a homework. L of t cos at. I explained L of t sin at. So you will do L of t cos at. This problem is homework. Write down L of t cos at as a homework. నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా? Okay, next problem. Problem number 3. It is also easy problem, but we using linearity property also. Last problem we use only multiplication of t power in only one condition. Here linearity property and also multiplication by t power n. Both properties we use in the single problem. So L of sin at minus at cos at. Observe that in the Laplace here totally 3 functions. One is sin at, second one is t, third one is cos at. A is a constant. So here totally 3 functions. 2 functions are in combination of minus. In the combination of minus or plus, it is linearity property is possible. So first we apply the first condition of the Laplace transform, that is linearity property. So linearity property is only possible in addition or subtraction combination only. So to separate the Laplace transform to these 2 functions, one is sin at and second one is at cos at. The second step is to separate the Laplace transform to 2 functions and write a constant term in a outside L of t cos at. So L of sin at, and the second function a is constant. That's why I write the a in outside of Laplace, a into L of t cos at. Next step, we know that L of sin at, L of sin at equal to formula is a by s square plus a square and minus a into L of t cos at, L of t cos at. T is a multiple of cos at. Here, 2 functions in second stage, one is t and second one is cos at, and t is a multiple of cos at. This property is multiplication by t power n. So what is the condition of multiplication by t power n? L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. So first we calculate the f bar of s using the function cos at. So I calculate L of cos at. We know that the formula of cos at is s by s square plus a square. Its name as f bar of s. This is the f bar of s value, s by s square plus a square. Now I replace formula into the problem. First the multiple of t, sorry, the power of t is 1. There is no power in t, so in default the power of t is 1. So minus 1 power 1 into how many times differentiation? N times. Here n equal to 1. So that's why I differentiate 1 time. d by ds to what function? F bar of s. Here f bar of s equal to s by s square plus a square. S by s square plus a square. This is the applying the condition of the t power n. Now simplify the above equation, we get the required result. In first Laplace function is simplified. There is no change. A by s square plus a square. No need to simplify it. And minus into minus plus. A is constant. Identify the differentiation. Here, two s functions. One is in numerator and another one is denominator. So the formula is like as u by v. We know that differentiation of u by v formula. So the formula is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. V means denominator value and u is a numerator value. Starting with v, ending with v, denominator also v square. How to remember the u by v formula? V is a denominator. This formula starts from v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So starting and ending and denominator also same function. So combination is minus. Okay. So here v is a denominator. Denominator means s square plus a square. So first we write s square plus a square and apply the derivative of u. U means is s. So with respect to x, the derivative of s equal to 1 minus u means s and derivative of v. V means derivative of s square 2s. Derivative of a square. A square is a constant. The derivative of constant value 0 by v square. V square means s square plus a square whole square. And the final step is a by s square plus a square minus a into s square plus a square minus s into 2s minus 2s square by s square plus a square whole square. S square minus 2s square, that equal to minus s square so a by s square plus a square minus also multiply to inside of this value minus s square minus 2s square, that equal to minus s square, minus into minus plus a into s square minus a square by s square plus a square whole square. This is the required result. If you have interest, then find the LCM of the right side. Otherwise, leave it. So this is the answer of the third problem. Okay. Next, fourth one. It is medium range problem. So first problem only applying multiplication by t power n. Second problem is two properties. One is linear property and the second one is multiplication by t power n. Third problem, fourth problem is also two conditions. One is multiplication by t power n and second one is first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem means e power at is a multiple of f of t. So problem number 4. Many combinations are given in the problems. The problems are most important. Problem number 4. L of t e power minus t cos h t. So here three functions, three different functions. One is trigonometric function, second one is exponential, third one is algebraic. These three functions are in multiplication position, not in either addition are in suppression. So it is not possible to apply the linearity property. Why? Linearity property to possible apply only combination of either plus or minus, either plus or minus. In this situation only possible, but here there is no combination plus or minus. So we go to some another properties. So observe that in the function cos 80 is a multiple of e power 8 in the left side. So the both combination is named as first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem. First shifting theorem ద్వారా మనకి ఏం తెలుస్తుంది? ఇచ్చిన e power 80 given two different functions of t, one is must be e power 80. మనకి ఇచ్చిన టూ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఖచ్చితంగా e power 80 కనుక మల్టిపుల్ అయి ఉంటే దట్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్. సో ఈ మొత్తానికి కనుక t అనేది మల్టిపుల్ అయి ఉంటే దట్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై 2 power n. Here two properties we apply to the given problem. One is first shifting and second one is multiplication by t power n. Here we doing one important condition. That condition is first every time first we apply multiplication by t power n to the f of t. Multiplication by t power into f of t is applying. After that we applying the ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం. ఎందుకు అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత టీ పవర్ అని అప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే ప్రాబ్లం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ టఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో మనకి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఈజీగా అయిపోవాలి అనుకుంటే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ కి డెరివేటివ్ అంటే ఎల్ ఆఫ్ టీ పవర్ ఎన్ ఇంటూ కాస్ 80 అప్లై చేయండి. లాస్ట్ లో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ అప్లై చేయండి. సో హియర్ we interchange the order of the given problem. Why? It is easy to solve the problem, not in typical position. So I change the order is given order is t into e power minus t into cos ht. I am changing e power t into cos t. So why? So it is easy to solve. So the differentiation is easily calculated. That's why I change the order. So there is no problem to change the order of Laplace. So first one is cos ht, second one is t, applying t, third one is first shifting. So we calculate first one, L of cos ht. We know that the hyperbolic formula of cos function s by s square minus a square. Here there is no multiple, so it is 1 s by s square minus 1. Second one, I applying the multiplication of t power n. So L of t into cos 60. First we write the definition of L of t power into f of t. The definition is minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. This is the condition of L of t power n. Here the power of t power n is 1, so replace n by 1. I substituting the condition into the formula format. So first minus 1 power n, here n equal to 1 because the power of t is 1. And d power n by ds power n, that means d by ds. What about f bar of s? L of cos ht, getting on answer s by s square minus 1, that is the f bar of s. S by s square, s by s square minus 1. Observe that the differentiation function s by s square minus 1, the numerator also s function and denominator also s function, and differentiation with respect to also s. So we applying the formula of derivative of u by v. Already last problem I discussed the derivative of u by v formula, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here u v is s square minus 1, u is s. So I write the definition directly. So minus 1 power 1 that equal to 1. First v means s square minus 1 and the derivative of s 1 minus s into derivative of s square 2s derivative of 1 0 by v square s square minus 1 whole square. Now simplify the equation. Minus 1 into s square minus 1 minus 2s square by s square minus 1 whole square. S square minus 2s square minus 1 into minus s square minus 1 by s square minus 1 whole square. Multiply minus 1 to inside of the numerator. S square plus 1 by s square minus 1 whole square. So now we are applying the third condition. That condition is L of e power minus t into t cos ht. So replace here the multiple of t is minus 1. So replace s by opposite sign s plus 1. Now replace the result s by s plus 1. So it is converted to s plus 1 whole square. I replace s by s plus 1. Every s I put it s plus 1 plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now simplify the equation. We know that the expansion of s plus 1 whole square like as a plus b whole square s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1 2 and also s square plus 2s 1 no plus 1 no minus 1 no. So finally s square plus 2s plus 2 by s square plus 2s is the required result. We go to fifth problem. So we increase the power of t in the fifth problem. Fifth problem is L of t square into e power minus 2t. Here only two conditions we find. First L of e power minus 2t and apply L of t square into e power minus 2t. So here two t functions are in multiplication. Two t functions are in multiplication position. One is t square. It is a multiplication by t power n. So here e power minus 80. E power minus 80, it is also first shifting theorem. ఇక్కడ మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ 80 ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా అని. ఎల్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ 2t t స్క్వేర్ ఇలా చేయొచ్చు కదా అని. సో ఎప్పుడు కూడా టూ ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ చేయమంటారు. సో నో నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ది ఆర్డర్ ఇన్ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ I calculate the L of first function e power minus 2t. We know that L of e power 80 equal to L of e power minus 80 equal to 1 by s plus a. In the given problem, minus a equal to 2. So we write this L of 1 by e power minus 2t equal to 1 by s plus 2. L of e power minus, here minus 2 is reverse to plus 2, 1 by s plus 2. Now I apply the total function L of t square into e power minus 2t. The answer is named as f bar of s. In t has power 2, so minus 1 whole square and 2 times differentiation d square by ds square to the given answer, that is 1 by s plus 2. So minus 1 whole square, it is plus, and d square by ds square of 1 by s plus 2. So it is not possible at a time to the 2 times differentiation. So minus 1 whole square equal to plus d by ds of next d by ds of 1 by s plus 2. It is not possible to apply the 2 times differentiation at a time. So that's why first I calculate 1 time differentiation, getting one answer. That answer again differentiation seconds. So d by ds of derivative of 1 by x, it is like as xo. Derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 by x square. Here in the x position s plus 2 minus 1 by s plus 2 whole square, and the internal derivative of so, and the internal derivative of this function so, derivative 1 and constant derivative 0. Next, simplify the above equation. D by ds of minus 1 by s plus 2 s plus 1 whole square. So minus is a constant, write in outside. D by ds of 1 by s plus 1 whole square. So this is the treated as x. So differentiation of differentiation of 1 by x square class lo unnam sir. So differentiation of 1 by x square. So it is x power minus 2. So that equal to minus d by ds of x power minus 2. That equal to derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 okay. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. So minus 2 by x minus 1 into minus 2 by x power n plus 1. 2 plus 1, that equal to 3. Finally minus 2 by x cube. This is the formula. Here x equal to s plus 1. Here x equal to s plus 1. So replace s equal to s plus 1, s plus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 into minus 2, that equal to 2 by s plus 1 whole cube. 2 by s plus 1 whole cube. ఓకే, అర్థమైందమ్మా? 2 by s plus 1 whole cube. So next problem. అమ్మా అర్థమవుతున్నాయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. One important problem. Problem number 6. L of 1 plus t e power minus t whole square. t e power minus t. t e power minus t whole square ని a plus b whole square ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి. మీ నోట్స్ మీద రాయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పాండ్ 1 plus t e power minus t whole square ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసి చెప్పాలి నాకు. వెయిట్ చేస్తా 1 minute. First you expand 1 plus t e power minus t whole square. So expand 1 plus t e power minus t whole square. A plus b whole square format. First a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to 1, b equal to t e power minus t. So first a square 1, next 2ab 2 into 1 into t into e power minus t plus b square t e power minus t whole square. So 1 plus 2t e power minus t plus t square into e power minus 2t. So 1 plus 2t into e power minus t, t square into e power minus 2t. Now we apply the Laplace transform to this expansion. So L of 1 plus 2 is constant. L of t into e power minus t and L of t square into e power minus 2t. We are applying the linearity property of the given problem because here three functions are in multiplication position, addition position. That's why we are applying the linearity property. Now solving one by one. The first one is L of 1. We know that the simple formula and the first formula of the Laplace transform L of 1 equal to 1 by s. Taking first one L of 1 that equal to 1 by s. And second one L of, so 2 is a constant, L of t e power minus t. First we applying L of e power minus t. So L of e power minus t equal to 2 into minus 1 power 1 because here n is 1 and one time differentiation d by ds. Derivative of Laplace of L of e power minus t that equal to 1 by s plus 1. To reverse the negative multiple in exponential, we write the opposite function 1 by s plus 1. Okay, 1 by s plus 1. Now applying the differentiation, minus 1 into 2 that equal to 2. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, s plus 1 whole square, and derivative of s, so 1. Okay, finally the answer is minus 2 by s plus 1 whole square. Second answer. Third one is t square of e power minus 2t. Third one is L of t square of e power minus 2t. First we calculate L of e power minus 2t that equal to 1 by s plus 2. L of e power minus 2t Laplace apply ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 by s plus 2. దీనికి L of t square apply చేయాలి. T square is the formula is here n equal to 2. So minus 1 whole square and d square by ds square 2 times differentiation. to the 1 by s plus 2. First differentiation, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by s plus 2 whole square. And again differentiation. So minus 1 by x square that equal to 2 by s cube. That equal to 2 by s cube. Here s plus 2 whole cube. This is the third answer. We write the three values in single line. That is the required answer. So first L of 1. The first value is 1 by s. And the second result answer is minus 2 by s plus 1 whole square. Minus 2 by s plus 1 whole square. And last answer is plus 2 by s plus 2 whole cube. So this is the required result. Okay. Now do one more homework problem. You try it. Problem number 8. L of t cube e power 2t sin t. Okay, first you have to change the order because first to find the L of sin t, it is easy 1 by s square plus 1 and then not apply e power 2t first shifting. ఒకవేళ e power 2t కనుక మీరు అప్లై చేసేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయడానికి చాలా టఫ్ అవుతుంది. సో అందుకని ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ చేద్దాం. e power 2t in first position, t cube in second position, sin t in third position. So sin t applying 3 times derivative and then applying first shifting theorem. సో ఇలా కనుక ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం అప్లై చేసి మీరు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 3 times చేయాలంటే చాలా టఫ్ అయిపోతుంది, ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేయలేరు. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసేయండి, ఆ తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ అప్లై చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే రీప్లేస్ ఎస్ బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ కదా, ఎస్లన్నీ ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ హోలీ క్యూబ్ అలా వెళ్ళిపోతే మీరు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయలేరు. సో ఇది హోంవర్క్, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. నోట్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు క్లాస్లో మొత్తం ఎన్ని హోంవర్క్స్ ఇచ్చాను? 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చాను. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి ఇచ్చాను, ఏంటది? ఎల్ ఆఫ్ టీ కాస్ ఏటీ. అండ్ సిక్స్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి ఉంది, ఎల్ ఆఫ్ టీ స్క్వేర్ కాస్ 3t. ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి, లేదంటే కనుక స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. మీకు రెఫరెన్స్ కావాలంటే మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టాను, పీడిఎఫ్ లో చూసుకోండి, వీటికి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి రెఫరెన్స్ దొరుకుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్.
Hello, sir. Hello.
కొంతమంది హ్యాండ్ రైట్ చేయలేదు. ఏంటమ్మా? చెప్పండి, ఎవరు ఏదో చెప్తున్నారు, వినిపించట్లా. ఏంటి వాయిస్ కట్ అయిపోతుంది? టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మనకి బిఎస్ గ్రావెల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది లేదంటే మీకు కొన్ని పీడిఎఫ్ పెడుతున్నాను, ఆ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఏది మీకు యశ్చంద్ కానీ బిఎస్ గ్రావెల్ కానీ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను చూడండి.